Abusia, this is a big scandal. This useless NDC government, any UK woman be,
Abuja from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch the comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that be ano e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that bia. Na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa. The moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Abusia, this is a big scandal. This useless NDC government, any UK woman be, I export inubone, every Ghana, akopie mu Australia memu. I'm a law enforcement agencies omu Australia, achi woman no. SCZ inubone no. Weye nimgu asesema, NDC abenya, eye full of criminals. Every for akromfo they are bent on trading everything and anything, including illicit tracks to enrich themselves. And they are baby Ghana. So we international shame. I will be a count and 18 June 2026. And a UK woman together with two couple omu free Australia. Yede omu ko jina court. I remand you to prison custody. Some reappear in court somewhere September 2026. Nansema no meba ma unchiremu we boba. Many series of videos adding chiremu abrew and basically sa enuboni a maame no any MDC aban export free Ghana erikopie mu Australia na your friend met. Ebi friend crystal met, ebi friend ice, ebi friend speed. Na sa met we a very powerful drug, a nubonia anu a ding, a highly addictive. So one no ma ema ujimu ya dead. I say you on top of the world, ema winya energy from kubi. But I who semene say a was severe side effect. It me ma winya akuma yare, it me ma wakuma feel ma ofemu. It me ma winya psychosis. It me affect your mental health or personal health. And say where you pneumonia a very dangerous, a dangerous scratching cocaine. And no na NDC aban ene mamia o free UK. Export ye free Ghana ekopie mu Australia memo ene ehun sema ye dija in the international community. And asem no asefem because share the quantity of indubone meta NDC aban ene mami export free MP free Ghana kopie mu Australia over behho. And according to Australian authorities and the court documents, the quantity of salmon, 320 kilograms. 320 kilograms. Who the unimu share crano? One a more bag 5 kilos. Aha, inti mako bebre sa awo kanina buma 320 kilograms. Such large quantity way and yet to be no obedience and afa immigration mu akwakopi mu Australia we a bag akesia made in dubone bag akesia ana maame no fa immigration fa port fa all the checks export kopie mu Australia ene Yacheno and utie Australian authorities now almost the street value of that drug in Uboneno in excess of $300 million. 300 million US dollars and any Nubonia and this year buying a boasa UK mameno and more sporty a free Ghana. Ediko PM UK. Now ye busa say why a war end this year buying mom or yes, and she say no, and making sure say mameno can have access to your import. Now watching sa bags akesi ye nuboni e wom Edi free Ghana, I export edi akọ Australia. Why na wo NDC abani mu a sika nka ebe piem e this illicit drug trade no nka obenya so mfaso. Who made this possible? Sa na ma we nyina. We will get to that point. We will get to that point. We will call them out. Sana last year, 2025, NDC abani omunya azumi office. Mysterious plane be air ambulance be ABC Ghana a chin cocaine at the call Grand Canaria. You can't want them. Omo kote Reverend Team Fojo a ono ne be expose NDC aben. Sa sebono NDC aben FCP no under carpet. But this time it's not going to happen. Yantina ho Emma Mum Ghana bedane coast of illicit drug trading baby ye exporting in Nuboni baby in Nuboni e free echo ewiase nyina. Da no. Interior Minister Muntaka Ebeka say Volta region has become the hub for weed. Obonsam Tower, Volta region, ye dear pa ye export Nigeria, any other African countries. Ghana yaji dimboni in just less than 2 years NDC for H0w office. Omu yo my Ghana sika omu bogana for krono. Big push you omu de bogana for krono ye good omu bogana for krono. Petroleum downstream honum omu bogana for krono. Afi mo sign delay in drugs. Mo sign any drug lords. Omo ye cartel, they have criminal syndicate, trading in illicit drugs, money akonaive, collaborate, use Ghana as coast, as a place exporting illicit drugs across the country. We will not sit down for these people to bring shame to Ghana because say ye greedy, ye from ye criminals, person tamuti. So this matter there, ye enjoy man slide that. And this way. They are a bunch of thieves. They are a bunch of criminals. Omo wa bema. Omo ne ma mene come with tipam huam. Omo de sa nuboni akesi. Sa med akesi. Bag akesi. Every Ghana kopi mu Australia ne. We Ghana ni na uko Australia ya besho tutu. We will fish all of them out. And Mahama ne na aban should come out and answer. And answer questions. Epanya ma mene fast one. Utimi BT all checkpoints. Epanya ma mene fast one. Utimi edi sa nuboni efa Ghana export Ghana export free Ghana edi kopie mu ho a obi antimi en detecting. We will get to the bottom of this matter.
That sword ebe sha se dey one yey when na ekwa America e wo park so a o say wadi kan o onu no di kan o di first but first no o say mempe biem mempe first no but me jam first na madi no na maba be di last na maba be sha se foforo what be that what it look like tuna ye to aba editia honorable Kennedy Japan no ase ye akakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because
je na da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we je se yenim oman ni issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku fo Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na chere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders ke bi aka the new patriotic party the leaders of the party ke bi aka borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is intimate because of time. But those ones it really component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact equipping hospitals not all right but because of political tantrums and political gains me look at say hospitals and they go sana no me say it is a Kenyan who say na no man nyina be ya ese keska no kwanka de wasa botumi wo say o I say wo say people for ya akonfo na mu akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what they are hospitals na mo so mo ya akonfo akonfo ti ma facilitate me say o be fund free seniors mo so mo ya akonfo ise enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na ten afi dem okeke mu kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho market women o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete nase bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest kwa ye yanketenkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kwa ni obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems you know most open konketenkete is enya mo den you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu a kire me na wo ne wo si a kire me se bi me na me ko ka kire Abroad All3ged so o mema was come to mutu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo krom ha ya e de Abroad All3ged ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum 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 mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu now to me who letter be a yoko for tro ye about Council of State member voter region na me say films Remona Chapa ya happen say where ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ne letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true
onye adwuma order and onye juma wo hoda ama nam one for the first time nam one I post oh yes nam one I post
ya no catch obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na listen for the first time nam one akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam one yes na che say was no kura adwiri ni say state institution we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no nkwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone anoni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo koso na se mentem ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant o mi bo mo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account. Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the only unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defediana afi the also by I say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Wo jane. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you so sad.
No Raymond no ankasa me ne matinye mabaye miense bia I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the mema hu no. Wo the very soon be hu recordings e be pie.
Raymond
very soon be hu recordings e be pie.
Agyeta
And this state institutions are on sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi fo ma Agyeta